Bouncy cow, so round and sweet, hopping on her grassy feet. Daisies jiggle, sunbeams play, tumbling through the golden day. Butterflies all stop to stare, moveless hops beyond compare. Splish splash cow in rain boots bright, puddles sparkle, what a sight. Muddy twirls and thunder song, dancing where the frogs belong. Lanterns glow with cozy cheer, rainbow hugs when skies are clear. Cotton candy floating high, nibbling rainbows in the sky. Lollipop trees, sugar breeze, tummy full of cloud cuisine. Candy birds all sing so sweet, chubby cow, life's a treat. Disco cow with spots that shine, neon hoofs in perfect time. Hay bales bounce to funky beats, cheesy tunes and dancing feats. Party till the moon says whoa, you're the barnyard's brightest glow. Snow cone slurps in scarf so snug, tongue turns blue, just shrug, thug, thug. Northern lights do swirls and dips, penguins slide on icy trips. Winter's magic in her eyes, Frosty giggles, sweet surprise. Beach ball cow with splashes bold, sand castles built in gold. Dolphin claps and crab conga, waves that sing a salty ah. Sunset paints her pink with cheer, summer's favorite cow is here. Ooh. Rocket cow in starry shoes, dancing past the planet blues. Strawberry trails and bunny cheers, zero gravity somersaults near. Milky Way's her favorite track, mooing, walking, looking back. Pancake stacks to touch the skies, fairies pour the syrup prize. Flower crown and honey streams, dreaming bites of clover creams. Woodland whispers, stay and dine, brunch is magic, pure and fine.